Creating technologies. Connecting jobs. Over the past half a century, Korea Polytechnics has driven Korea's industrial advancements, presenting new values of technologies that lead the rapidly evolving times. Korea Polytechnics. Now, Korea Polytechnics is beginning a new leap from the center of the Fourth Industrial Revolution with the Learning Factory. The Learning Factory is an open, joint practical training space that covers multiple departments, replacing the small, partitioned practical training space for each department, and serves as the ideal project space for nurturing a convergence of human resources. Starting with the Incheon campus in December 2018, Korea Polytechnics has established a total of 18 locations throughout Korea and is leading Korea's new technology education by spreading the Polytechnics Learning Factories nationwide in 2020. Learning Factory recreates the actual industrial sites to enable one-stop, integrated, practical training of all processes. With convergence projects that expand beyond the scope of each department, it provides a system optimized for nurturing technical human resources that our times need. From product planning and design to prototyping, every process takes place in an integrated manner beyond the partitions of each department. After planning products with good marketability based on big data, thorough product design process, the product is manufactured using advanced, automated production equipment. The completed prototype goes through strict review and validation processes. And IoT and networking equipment, which are crucial technologies of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, are used to provide a high-tech system for experiencing robot-controlled production in person. By establishing marketing strategies for the products created and carrying out advertising using media, it provides integrated practical training of all processes, from product planning to publicizing in a single space. At the Learning Factory, there are no limitations on applicable industries, from machinery and automation to IT and design, medical engineering, robot welding, smart logistics, and biotech to semiconductors. Students can experience product manufacturing in 7 fields. The machinery and automation field presents a new future from the manufacturing industry with smart factories, using machine production and robot-based automated production. In the IT and design field, you can design products using the latest trends based on coding and big data analysis, create prototypes, and even publicize the product using augmented reality, all using Korea Polytechnics' specialized technologies. The medical engineering field nurtures crucial human resources needed by the strategic industries of the Gangwon region through convergence of ICT, medical electronics, and medical equipment engineering. The Bio-Learning Factory field, which is first among Korean universities capable of pharmaceutical manufacturing training for educational purposes, and acquired GMP Quality Control Standard certification, is capable of manufacturing finished liquid products such as eye drops. The robot welding field provides specialized space for nurturing innovative welding experts of the future, and is ready to collaborate with electric, electronics, and mechanical systems in addition to utilizing robot welding facilities. The Smart Logistics Learning Factory, which maximizes logistics efficiency by combining next-generation technologies such as IoT and AI, and the Semiconductor Learning Factory recreates the same clean room as actual semiconductor factories for practicing disassembly, assembly and operation of semiconductor equipment to contribute to the growth of the semiconductor industry, which is the future growth engine of Korea. Korea Polytechnics Learning Factory is recognized as the new paradigm of vocational training. The Learning Factory is an industrial academic cooperation space for everyone. The Learning Factory is open to enrolling students as well as for vocational experiences for teenagers and individuals that require prototyping for startups. Through close collaboration with local communities and industries, the Learning Factory will increase the employment rate of Korea Polytechnics graduates and become the center for innovative businesses to startups. By acquiring certifications of expert institutions such as Samsung Electronics, and Korea Welding Industry Cooperative. The Learning Factory boasts a high reliable practical training space. The space we communicate with corporations is leading to noteworthy achievements. With an increased budget, Korea Polytechnics Learning Factory is expanding nationwide. As a state-of-the-art, optimal creative space for nurturing convergence technicians for innovation, Korea Polytechnics Learning Factory will present a new future for Korea's industries.